Hello and welcome to Lesson 3, page 28 in the Mayer and Cole textbook. This is the song titled Autumn Waltz in the Level 1 book. The song Autumn Waltz is actually going to use the same notes, and we can use the same fingering as our previous song, The Butterfly, with F, G, A, and B flat. So let's go ahead and review our notes, and then we'll get started line by line on our song. So remember, we're under a group of 3 black keys using F, G, A, and B flat in this song. And again, I'm just using the group of 3 black keys right above middle C. Here's middle C and a group of 2 black keys. I'm using this group of 3 black keys. And under our group of 3 black keys, the first white key is F. The second white key is G. The third white key is A. And we are using B flat in this song, remember? So if you have any trouble finding B flat, remember you can find a B in the flat symbol, means we go down to the next closest note. So from B we move down to B flat. Sometimes at Piano Lab we say that's like having a flat tire, like when the air goes down in a tire. Well, same thing, the note goes down when we have a flat symbol. And really quickly, I'll draw that flat symbol on screen for us a little bigger. It looks like a lowercase b. So now we have all our notes. Let's talk about how we can place our fingers on the keys. I like to call this my bunny ears fingering. We have 2 sets of bunny ears, and we have 2 fingers on F and G, 2 fingers on A and B flat. Now we could use 3 fingers on F, G, and A, and you can reach up to that B flat when you need it. That one's a little tricky, but if 2 hands is a little tough, that's another option. You can also do your 5-finger pattern if you're using this at all. So the side of your thumb on F, second finger or pointer finger on G, third finger or middle finger on A, and ring finger or 4th finger on B flat. Okay, so we have lots of different options. I'm going to use 2 fingers in each hand. And before we go ahead and play our song line by line, let's warm up by playing F, G, A, and B flat together. So I'm going to say a note, and I want you to play and hold the note with me. Okay, let's do it. Play an F. Play a G. How about an A? Now B flat. Let's go back to F. Now A. Now G. How about a B flat? And a G. Now A. And finally F. Very good. Now that we're all warmed up on our notes, let's look at the song Autumn Waltz. So with our rhythms in this song, we only are using 2 different kinds. You see lots of quarter notes or walk notes that we're going to be playing. And there's 2 dotted half notes in this song. Remember, the dotted half notes we hold for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, or dotted half note, you could say, to help you remember the name and the number of beats. But it looks like on the first line of our song, we start out with 6 walk notes or 6 quarter notes, and we have the notes A, F, F, A, F, F. This is where having your fingers covering all the notes in the songs is going to come in very handy, because this has a little bit of a leap at the beginning from A down to F. I would just practice that pattern, A, F, F, A, F, F. Do that a couple times over and over again, because it's going to show up again in the 3rd line. So we want to make sure we get good at jumping from A down to F. Let's go ahead and try line number 1 nice and slow together. And this song is going to be counted in groups of 3. So my count in will be 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Hands ready on F, G, A, and B flat. 1, 2, 3. Here we go, play. A, F, F, A, F, F. Very good. Moving on to line number 2, we have G, A, B flat with 3 walk notes. So I want you to notice that this just moves up one note at a time. G, A, B flat. And then we end up back on A with our first dotted half note for 3 beats. A, 2, 3. So let's try line number 2 together. Hands ready. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Play. G, A, B flat, A, 2, 3, and off. Excellent work. And moving to line number 3, it looks like we repeat the same notes and rhythms as line number 1. Let's play it together just for the extra review. 1, 2, 3. Line 3. Play. Play. A, F, F, A, F, F. And moving on to the last line of our song, we have that 3 walk note pattern again with our dotted half note, but this time the notes are kind of flipped around, you might notice, or you've swapped the B flat and the G from line 2, and we have B flat, A, G. Just like we were going up our notes in line 2, now we're going down in line number 4. So let's look at our pianos. We have B flat, then it moves down to G, then down, or excuse me, B flat, moves down to A, then down to G, and then down to an F for 3 beats on the dotted half note. So we have B flat, A, G, F, 2, 3. Let's play it nice and slow together. Line number 4. Hands ready on B flat, A, G, and F. 1, 2, 3. Line 4. Play. Play. B flat, A, G, F, 2, 3, and off. Excellent job. Now let's go back to the beginning of our song, and we're going to do 2 performances of Autumn Waltz, once at a slower speed and the second time at a slightly faster speed. Hands ready on F, G, A, and B flat. Okay, from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. A, F, F, A, F, F, G, A, B flat, A, 2, 3, third line, A, last line, B flat, A, G, F, 2, 3, and off. Great work, and let's go back to the beginning and play the song once more at a slightly faster speed. Hands ready. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. A, F, F, A, F, F, G, A, B flat, A, 2, 3. A, F, F, A, F, F, B flat, A, G, F, 2, 3, and off. Congratulations on completing the song Autumn Waltz, and I'll see you on the next song.